Welcome! In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable the new tab icon on Google Chrome. If you're looking to declutter your browser and create a more streamlined experience, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open Chrome. First, open your Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop, taskbar, or Applications folder. Once it's open, you're ready to make some changes. Step 2. Access the menu. Now, look at the top right corner of your browser. See those 3 vertical dots? That's the menu icon. Click on it to open a drop-down menu packed with customization options. Step 3. Go to Settings. From the menu, scroll down and click on Settings. This will take you to Chrome's Settings page, where you can tweak various aspects of your browsing experience to suit your preferences. Step 4. Find Toolbar Shortcut Settings. Once you're on the Settings page, look for the section labeled Toolbar Shortcut. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar at the top of the page and type Toolbar Shortcut to find it quickly. Step 5. Customize your toolbar. In the Toolbar Shortcut settings, you'll see options to adjust what appears in your toolbar. To remove the new tab icon, simply select an alternative option that doesn't include it. Step 6. Enjoy a cleaner toolbar. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the new tab icon on Google Chrome. This small change helps declutter your toolbar and makes your browser look and feel more efficient. Bonus tip: if you ever decide to bring back the new tab icon, no worries. Just follow these same steps and select it from the toolbar shortcut options. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Chrome tips and tricks. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy browsing!